Guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss how to install .NET SDK on Linux operating system. So let's open the terminal, and the next is here you need to use the command sudo dnf install, then write there .NET, then minus SDK, then minus 9o. To install there 9%, you need to write there .NET SDK 9. For 8, you need to keep there 8. So let's use there 9. Now press enter. So here you can see .NET SDK 9.0, that's come there, and with installing dependencies. So you can get there ASP.NET Core, Runtime, and this all. So 10 packages that's going to install. Right there Y and press enter. So here you can get this 464 MB. This will take the installation size. Now there some download process is going on. ASP.NET Target 9, and this all is now currently downloading inside the Linux operating system. So this you can use inside the Red Hat, Fedora, and Oracle Linux operating system. So this is now installing currently very fine. So here you can get this ASP.NET Core, Runtime, .NET Host, SDK, and this all that installed there. So next is let's write there .NET --info. Then you can get there version is 9 OS platform Linux, this all. And let's use the clear command. If you want to check here specifically the version, write there .NET --version. This 9 that install. After that, simply printing the hello world using the .NET. So let's write there mkdir and giving test. The name is creating the directory with the test name. So let's use the pwd. Now let's write there again mkdir. Let's give sample. Okay, sample that's done here. Then after let's use the cd sample. Now this is permanent working directory sample inside there. After that we are in sample. Then let's write there .NET and thereafter new and write there console. So this process is going on, this restored. Then after let's write there .NET, then run. So sample inside there sample.cs project is now running, and now you can get your hello world that's displayed. Okay, so this is the most simplest way we can install this .NET SDK, .NET ASP.NET Runtime on this Linux operating system. Then here run the code. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.